Hello and welcome to SIBO Volatility 411. My name is Dan Deming and I'm with KKM Financial. We're looking at the VIX cash basically unchanged on the day, hovering right around 17 as we're working our way through expiration here today. Now remember, VIX expiration is next Wednesday, so we still got a couple days there for the July cycle. Looking at realized volatility, we're not realizing too much volatility once again today. The SPX has drifted lower here, but still week over week, we're looking at 30-day realized volatility just up slightly, still hovering just below 9%. At the money straddle in the SPX is right around 12.5%, and that's pretty much unchanged week over week as well. Now the Skew Factor for the better part of the last month holding above 150, and that's elevated, and we are seeing it hold up 154 today, so again maintaining that elevation. Futures market, as we roll into VIX expiration, let's look at July futures. Pretty much about 35 to 40 cents a premium here with the VIX cash around 17. So you're looking at about 17.40 on the front month future. I do want to point out though, as we did see the VIX cash drift up to the 17.5 or so, the compression kicked in pretty tight. So it looks to me like there's a fair value being priced in here for the VIX futures, somewhere between 17.5 and 18 as we move into next week. The term structure pretty flat for the day. We're seeing most of the futures basically unchanged currently. Let's look at VVIX, measure implied volatility in the VIX options, 122.5. So that's elevated. That's pushing up towards the top end of the range for the last month. So we are seeing demand for VIX options moving into expiration week, and we're seeing a lot of activity in puts in July, 16, 17, 18 lines. So very active, but also rolling of positions. We're seeing significant activity in the out of the money calls all the way up to the 50 strike in August, and out of the money ratio put spreads as well, and not only in August but also September. So a lot of activity as we're seeing again rolling of positions, it feels like, into August, also into September. Next week, we have earnings kicking in, so let's focus on that as far as the possibility for volatility. We also have a central bank activity, ECB, and VIX expiration.